Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today I have this multiple choice algebra puzzle for you. So we have 1 divided by 8 raised to a very big power, which is 444, multiplied by 4 raised to another big power, which is 333. So pause the video and give this problem a go. So try and see if you can simplify this expression into one of the following 4 options. And when you're ready, keep watching for the solution. So what I will do is to rewrite 8 and 4 as powers of 2. So first of all, let's take a look at 1 divided by 8 times 4 raised to the power of 444. So, well, we know 8 is 2 cubed, which is just 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 cubed is 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So we have 3 2's there. So let's write that down. So 2 cubed and then 4, 4, 4, right? So there's a rule in dealing with indices, exponents, is that if we have a raised to the power of b, the whole thing bracket, and then another power of c on top of the whole thing, we treat it as a raised to the power of b times c. So in our case, b is 3 and then c is 444. So we can just write it as 1 divided by 2 and then 3 times 4, 4, 4. We don't have to actually find out what 3 times 4, 4, 4 is, as we will see now, because we are going to do something with 4 raised to the power of 3, 3, 3. So what is it? 4, 3, 3, 3. Well, that is just 2 squared and then 3, 3, 3, right? So that is just 2 and then 2, 3, 3, 3. So now pay attention to these things, okay? So now we put the two terms together. So we have 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 and then 4, 4, 4. And then we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So far so good. What we want to do now is to put them into one fraction. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and then 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Well, when we have that, how we will do something to the powers and we will minus them, right? So what is 2, 3, 3, 3 minus 3 times 4, 4, 4. So what we can do now is to see that, wow, 2 times 3, 3, 3, that is just 666, and then 4, 4, 4 times 3, it's basically just 3 times 2, 2, 2 times 2, right? So that's just 666 minus 666 times 2. So you can see how when we manipulate numbers like that, we don't necessarily have to just do the raw sum of it, you know. Also partly because I haven't prepared well enough for this, so I'm doing this on the go. So 666 minus 666 times 2, that is just minus 666. So now we have 2 raised to the power of minus 666. And always remember that when we have a negative power, that is the same as the reciprocal of that with the positive power. So 1 divided by 2666. So let's take a look. And, well, we do have the answer, and it is D. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.